Oh, Aston Brahms, the live and breathe. Come in, sit down. I bet you don't think you'd see me again, did you? No, I know you got the Welsh tart up the duff and you're paying out every week for her. And let's face it, you're having stuck all over Dudley. But I don't care about that, mate. I do care about the people that pay me back on time. You don't think I'd find you, did you? But I did.
Ah!
Understand. Look at that. Yellow. It's like fucking pissed, though, it. Like a coward. All done. Go again.
Ah! Put them things back. If you don't leave her alone, I will kill him.
Yeah? I'll stick this in your fucking ear hole. Till it comes out the other side. I said, sit now. Ah, bloody woman!
Come on, man. That's not right. Let her come out here.
Listen to me, Prince Charming. You owe me, right? I'm taking all of this as payment. Understand that. Hello there, my name's Ethan McKinley. I live in Dudley, West Midlands. I'm with Four Walls Management. I'm auditioning for the role of Pudge today, but I thought I'd give a performance of Duke as well to show some, I guess, a different or higher performance level. So, thank you.